Gates open, they're up and racing. Think Tank draws for your lead. Joshua Slapter moving up to take second. Queen Alicia comes next. Then by the rail is sneaking in. Is Top Notcher running on the outside. Is Storm Gas Best kept secret. In between runners comes Love Story and on the outside 1A Miss Manila. While Big Bang Bong is running at the tail of the field as they race to the last 600. Joshua Slapter this time leading the field over Think Tank in second. Racing in third by the Rally Storm Gas Best. Kept secret moving up on the outside. 1A Miss Manila comes next and by the rail Queen Alicia. Love Story as they race to the final corner. Joshua Slapter this time by about 2 lengths. Moving up now on the outside is Storm Gas. In between runners, Think Tank by the rail is Queen Alicia. But Joshua Slapter now lapping his way home by about 3 lengths. And finally, Joshua Slapter is Storm Gas close between Think Tank and number 1 Love Story. 1A Miss Manila